Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush. This is their Bigfoot bath bomb from their Halloween 2022 collection. This one was a very fast fizzer, and I knew when I put it in the water that it was going to turn purple, so I was really excited for that. A lot of times I just buy their seasonal products and I don't really read about them. So this one did have popping candy in it, which is always a nice surprise. I think that's really unique that they add that to their bath bombs, and it's fun just to listen to it. It's kind of relaxing. This did fizz out pretty quickly because it is a rather small bath bomb. It's only 4.2 ounces, and the price for this one was $6.95. I've been trying to make shorts of a lot of the bath bomb demos that I do, so I did make a short of this one. So if you like that kind of content, please make sure you subscribe and stay tuned and show my channel some love. I've been trying some new things out. But this one did have fragrance notes of neroli and lime, and I thought it smelled really good. And here's that last little bit. It started swirling in the tub. And the beautiful purple water. Now I do have several Christmas bath bombs from Lush, and I will start filming those soon, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.